Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about creating enums. How do we create enums and how do we use enums? So in C Sharp. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Right? Let's go ahead and start. Let's get rid of this. Let's comment it out. Let's see, creating enums, enum. Okay. Alright, so let's go to our project name and let's create our class. Add class right here, and we're going to call it student. Okay, so it's going to be a student class right here, and we're going to make this class public, and we're going to create some properties over here. Okay, so we're going to say public, we're going to say string first, semicolon, then we're going to go string last, then we're going to go no title, but we're going to do a int, a h for h. Okay, we get that really good. Now let's create a enum right here. So let's create another class, but we're going to change it. Is there an option right here? Enum. Yeah, there's not. I think there is. I don't remember it well, but let's just call this car types or car type. Car type. Boom. Okay. We're going to change right here. We're going to say enum, and right here we're going to add those enum. So it's going to be a list. So we're going to have car type. We have a Lamborghini. Let's be a Lamborghini, comma. Then we have Ferrari. Then we have Tesla. And last one's going to be a Toyota. Cool, we have that done really good. Now, so we have enum card type created. Now let's go back to our card type. No, actually to our student class. And right here what we can do is let's just use that as a property. So public, and then we're going to do the car type, and then we're going to call car let's just call it cars. Oh, let's call it car types. Car types. Okay, so what's going on with this one? So what it doesn't like, consistency zero field, car type is less than zero. Oh, okay, let's go back over here to our enum card type. Let's just make this public, and that should fix our issue. We come back over here to our student. Yeah, that went away. Now in here let's create a constructor. So just public student. Yep. So right here let's pass some parameters right here for the student to define our properties right here. So we're going to say string first, comma, and then we have another string for last, comma. Then we have an int for h, comma, and then we have man, I cannot even talk. And then we have a card type, and then we're going to call this cars. So right here, let's just define our properties right here that we have. We got first with first, okay. We got last, we got age, and card. Okay, cool. I like that. Now here we're going to create method or a function right here is going to be public. It will not return anything. It's going to do void. We're going to say car type, car, or type of cars, type of cars. And right here we're going to say the following: console. So if we have a Lamborghini, actually we're going to create just a if statement over here. No, actually we're going to say type cars, right? My favorite, just simple. Let's make it simple. My favorite type of sport car is Lamborghini. Yeah, it is Lamborghini. Let's see. Let's go back over here. Just give me 1 second. Just checking something. Yeah. Actually, right here, let's just do this. Let's create a if statement. Let's just do if. Dude, come on. Where are you? If statement. Okay, right here, we're going to say the following: if car types equals car type that Lamborghini. We're going to say that to a Lamborghini. So we're going to say the following: console we're going to say your car is the coolest. Your car is the coolest and the most expensive. Could be nice. Else, let's copy this line of code right here. Boom, copy that. Boom, paste it right there. And we're going to say the following: your car is not cool. Is no as cool as the Lamborghini, and it's cheap. Let's have that. Okay, cool. We have that. So now let's just create another method. It's not returning anything either, but we're going to have right here display information. Boom, boom, boom. Display information, and right here we're going to do the following. So I got something ready already. So to save time, let's just paste what I have. Boom, right here. So console that right line, I have first name first, last name I got last, age, and then we have car types. Okay, cool. Now, so this is we have everything done really good over here. We got a couple methods we're going to be using. Now let's go back to our program. Right here, let's just create our object. So let's just do what is a student. A student, we're going to say Pastor, that's my name, equals to new student. And then right here, we're going to pass those arguments. So right here is telling us that we gotta pass a first, last, age, and car type. So we're going to do Pastor. Oh, come on, dude. Come on. Pastor, comma. We do last name is Canayo. We do comma. Age, I am 25. and then car type, car type the Lamborghini. So we're using our enum in here. Okay, we're using the car type and then that Lamborghini. So right there. All right. Now, um, so let's just display the information. Let's just do pastor the display. Let's just call that method display information. Boom. Cool. Okay, cool. Let's print this out. Let's execute. Let's run the program, and that should give me um, just takes a second. Okay, yeah. First name is Pastor, last name is Canayo, age 25, type of car Lamborghini, right? Oh, I forgot to invoke type of cars. Type of cars, yeah. And now if we run that, it will tell us the Lamborghini is the best car. Yeah, the car is the cool. Oh man, I don't know how to spell, man. It's just cool. Sorry for my spelling. Coolest and the most expensive. Your car is the coolest and the most expensive. Okay, let's create another object. Okay, let's just copy all of this, uh, and then we're going to call this Pedro. This variable name right here, and then we're going to change right here the name Pedro. We want to say Smith, and then he is 45. He's all an old-fashioned guy, and we're going to change this to a, let's put Tesla. Tesla right there. Let's change over here to Pedro, and then right here to Pedro. Okay, let's see. So we got Tesla, right? It will execute, it will get to our if statement right here. Okay, let's see it. Pastor Canayo 25 Lamborghini, your car is the coolest and the most expensive. Cool. First name is Pedro, last name is Smith, age 45, type of car is Tesla. Your car is not as cool as the Lamborghini, and it's cheap. Yeah, that way it's cheap. Yeah, you're right. So that program works. So actually, this is how we use enum right here. So let's go back to our car type. So right here we got values as a zero index. Then we got one, we got two, and we got three right here, not 34, right? But this is you can use enum as yeah, it depends what you want to do. But in this case, it really worked really well for our project. So hopefully this can help you out how we create enums and how do we use the enum. Okay. Yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good night and see you. Bye.